Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. This is episode 3 of MainScape. In this episode we're going to be focusing on agility and the corrupted gauntlet with Group Iron Man just around the corner now. Alright, there's 100 mil cooking XP. So I'm starting at 829 Ardoin laps. And XP is looking at about 10.9 mil. 900 laps completed. 1000 laps completed. Here's another outfit piece from the Sergeant Random. Camo helmet. Let's go and add that to the house. It looks like both of these pieces are the last two that I need for the camo outfit. Just need the hat. And then for the lederhosen outfit, I just need the top. And there we go, both outfits completed. 1100 laps completed. Taking a look at the graceful sets that I still need to get, I'm going to need 2340 marks of grace for the graceful set, 450 marks of grace for the recolors. With it being 20 marks of grace an hour, it's going to take 117 hours to collect them all. And over that time, I'm going to gain 7 million agility XP. 1200 laps completed. 1300 laps completed. 1400 laps completed. 500 marks collected. 1500 laps completed. 1600 laps completed. 1700 laps completed. 1800 laps completed. Time for some corrupted gauntlet practice. Kill count 16. Kill count 17. Corrupted gauntlet kill 18. Kill count 19. 4 complete kills at the corrupted gauntlet. Back to agility. 1900 laps completed. And here is level 98 agility. Hey, one more level to go. 1.2 mil till 99. 2000 laps completed. 2100 laps completed. $20 kill count. Kill count 21. Kill count 22. Another crystal weapon seed, 300k. Kill count 23. Loot from the 4 corrupted gauntlet kills. 1 million GP with 31 crystal shards. Time to do some Zulrah practice. Ready for when Group Iron Man comes out. 50 kill count at Zulrah completed. Here is the loot from the 18 kills that I did. We made a total of 1.3 mil. Before finishing 99 agility, I would like to have completed the monkey backpacks collection log. Altogether, it's going to take me about 20 hours to get all the monkey backpacks, also gaining 50k XP an hour. By the end of getting all of the monkey backpacks, I should have, or should be close, to 99 agility. 100 laps at the Ape Atoll agility course. You can now transform your monkey into a Karamja monkey. Let me go get my monkey. Alright, I've grabbed my monkey from the bank. Let's transform it into the Karamja monkey. Hey, brilliant. Oh wait, actually, let's take that off for a second. Let's... Original. Looks like that. Stand over here. Not bad. And then transformed the Karamja monkey. It's got a little mohawk on his head. Very cool. Here is 200 laps at the Ape Atoll agility course. Group Ironman just released a few hours ago, and I've decided to come back to AFK cooking, as agility was getting a little bit too click intensive while playing two accounts. So here is 101 cooking XP. So with Group Ironman now released, I am going to be AFKing a lot on the main and mainly focusing on the Ironman. So I'm going to do the rest of 120 cooking now, and then probably move on to the skills I have left for maxing, which is mining, smithing, and agility, and then maybe try and AFK some Slayer XP as well, since I've got quite a fair way till 99 as well. But here is 102 million cooking XP. 103 million cooking XP. That just leaves us 1.3 mil XP till 120. 104 million cooking XP. And that just leaves us with 260k remaining. After a stupid amount of hours, we are down to the last few anglers for 120 cooking. 120 cooking achieved on old school. It's been quite a long-term goal of mine to get 120 cooking on old school since I did 120 cooking on RS3 about 5 years ago now. We'll probably continue doing a little bit more cooking for now. So here is 105 million cooking XP, 106 million cooking XP. Time to move on to finishing 99 mining at amethysts, which we will start in the next episode. That is the end of episode 3 of MainScape. I hope you've all enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.